Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my mixed media Morsels snack bag book. I think that was right. I'm going to make March today. This was January, February, and now I'm going to make something on this. March. And the prompt is bird. So I will gather some stuff again, and I'll be back. The only thing I found of is this piece of napkin I still have. It's the last piece I have, and I thought, well, that's a beautiful napkin to use for this, how do you call that, this mixed media morsels and so on and so on. Scrapbook, no what, I'm not sure, I forgot the name again. It's a mouthful. It's organized by, posted by Cat Hand. There's a Facebook group, so I will put a link below in the description so you can join if you like. Well, I'm going to use this, and I want to have some paint, I guess, or gesso to put on top of this, and I think I'm going to make some kind of collage. Well, I'll start, and you'll see. And we'll see what it becomes. The first thing I used was some gesso, and I will dry that. Well, I think it's dry enough. And I think I'm going to use this little guy. And I think I'm going to use the whole square, like so. Just like so, and I have to get those layers off. I could do it with tape, or I have masking tape that should work too. Well, that's off, and that's off too, and this is just one layer, I guess. Yes, so I will glue that on, just a bit, make the bottom a bit terry. Don't know if that's the word, but so, and I will get some matte gel, medium matte from Amsterdam, and I will use that to glue, to decoupage the bird. Like so. I think that's okay. I love that. Zoom a bit in. Oh, like so. And now going to use some tape, some masking tape to glue on to get some texture, and then I will and a little piece over here, just for fun. Okay, and now I will dry it again. And I have some brush pens from Talens, Ecoline brush pens. I never use them. So I want to use one of those. I think I'm going to do the ochre. And that's, if I can get it out, and that's this one. And I'm going to color the edges a bit, like so. And spray some water to let it drip. Like so. Like that. And dry it again. And now I'm using some acrylic paint to scribble. Oh yes, that works. Just around the bird, like so. And a bit around here. Just keep it simple. And I think I'm going to use one of my paper clips over here. And put a word on that. I think I like that. Yes. I made that with little scraps. Love that. Well, I think maybe a word on that, but then it's okay by me. I love it this way. Just looking for a word. Well, I have lots of words here. These are my own words. I have a digital of this in my Etsy shop, if you like them. Where are my scissors? My scissors here. And I think I'm just going to use the word spring or wing. Spring. Winter, spring. Maybe there's another word, but just looking hopeful, inspired. I don't have the word bird. Fly, maybe. Fly. That's a beautiful word for it. Fly. Yes, I have fly. There is the word fly. So I printed it. Where is it? Oh, there. I printed it on sticker page, I think. I'm not sure if this is sticker page or not. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Yeah. its sticker page. Like so, and now I have to make it a bit smaller. Like so, I think. Fly, yeah. Maybe a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to distress it a bit. But it's too wide. I think it's too wide, yeah. So I'm going to get some distress ink, and this is Vintage Photo. And I'm going to color it a bit. And distress, or color the edges, not distress it, but color it a bit, like so. And now I hope I'm getting it separated. I have to do it off camera because I can't see it. Yeah, I have it. Like so. And now I put Fly on here. And I think, oh, I have to dry it a bit. So I did dry it. I think, well, I can't think of more. I think it's okay this way. Some splatters, no. Maybe a bit more black over here. If I can get the paint out, well, why not? Ah, it's clogged. Don't know why, but well, I left it open, so yeah, then it clogs immediately. Yeah. So a bit more over here. Maybe with a pen, with an artist bit pen, the S, the fine one. Just a little bit more. Well, that's enough, I think. I don't want to do more. Well, this is it. This is my mixed media Morsels snack bag book page of March with a prompt bird. Thank you for watching. Bye.